Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, ready to make some amazing barbecue chicken? It's easier than you think. First, grab some chicken thighs or drumsticks work great because they stay juicy. You'll also want your favorite barbecue sauce, a few basic seasonings, and a grill, of course. Make sure your chicken is thawed and patted dry. This really helps it cook beautifully. Now let's build some flavor. Don't be shy with your seasonings. A good mix includes salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. It really makes a difference. If you have time, a quick marinade with something acidic like apple cider vinegar or lemon juice can add extra tenderness. Just let those flavors really sink in for at least 30 minutes or even longer if you can. All right, time to get that grill ready. You'll want to preheat it to a medium heat, aiming for about 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure those grates are clean and give them a quick oiling too, so nothing sticks. Once it's hot, place your chicken skin side down first. Let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes per side, just to get a lovely char. After your chicken has a good sear, it's time for the star of the show, the barbecue sauce. Start basting generously every 10 minutes or so. Remember to keep flipping the chicken regularly to ensure even cooking and prevent the sauce from burning. Just keep going until that internal temperature hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit. That's how you get that perfect glaze. Almost there. Once your chicken is perfectly cooked, take it off the grill. This next step is crucial. Let it rest. Just loosely tent it with some foil for about 10 minutes. This allows all those wonderful juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it incredibly moist. Then, serve up your delicious barbecue chicken with your favorite sides and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.